Hello, my acquaintances. Hey, I'm gonna show you how to do a Chica makeup. FNAF movie! Epic! There's people listening to me. Alright, I gotta be kind of quick about this because for a couple of reasons. One, the movie's at 6:40 and it's 5:35. Two, there's people coming on the way. Three, I was trying to make that intro to a TikTok that I've been thinking of ever since I heard the song. All the arrows here. So, I got this yellow Vans cardigan, got it at the Vans store. I got this white tank top, literally got it at Walmart. Got this pink skirt, it's from Shein. I have yellow tights, but they're actually footless tights, so I put on some socks. The socks don't matter, but they do have little chickens on them. And then I have these pink leg warmers on. And I'm gonna wear, I think, my silver. Alright, so I went ahead. Oh, these earrings are both from Five Below. It came in like a set of neon hoop earrings. Really cool. Got the green and the pink. Kind of glam rock era. So I went ahead and put like a primer on my face just to protect my skin. And so I'm going in with a yellow face paint. And I haven't really decided for my neck if I'm doing yellow or like black and then doing like a kind of thing. So okay, next I'm gonna get another brush. I'm gonna take black and kind of fill in around my neck because I decided that is gonna be easier than trying to get the yellow to cover this much space. Well, it'll kind of look spookier, so.
Can I come in?
If you want. I'm hurrying.
Well, movie doesn't actually start until like. We still got like an hour until that movie actually starts.
Yeah.
But we gotta vote on Nico's pumpkin.
Okay.
Do you have a pin?
Yeah, Yeah, there's like a little pink thing. It should be in that. You see that bin right there? That green bin down to your left. There should be some in that pink thing.
Yes.
Yeah. Is there one in there?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome. I think Tave's here. I heard a car.
You got served yet? Oh!
I was right. Green, and then like black in the crease. So I can do that with this. Next, I'm gonna put on orange lipstick. Okay, next, just throw on a wig. And that's the basic look. So. I want this to be a little spooky, so I'm gonna do like a broken thing, like draw some wires coming out type beat. So I'm taking I'm starting with eyeliner actually. Hello.
Why can't I look? You look then?
I didn't say you couldn't look.
Oh, I thought that's what you said.
No, I just said hello.
I thought you said don't look.
No, I just said hello. This will also add some more metallic dimension, epic style, I'm using the Billionaire by ColourPop. And just kind of putting it across here. And on here, on my nose. Epic. that's pretty much what I got going on. Sure, why not? Why not? The final look.